Ka3na exposed Ozo as she revealed Ozo never liked Nengi.
Me, would you?
Also, were you not my? Do you want to lie?
Do not, no, hold on. Do
You
not,
want to lie?
do not talk over me. Do not talk over me.
I don't lie.
Now,
I don't
the one
lie.
thing,
I just
hold
said
on.
the fact. You were never in love with Nengi.
Okay, let him.
You were never in love with Nengi. You were either in love with Dorothy. You were just playing a game.
Ozo never loved Nengi, he was just playing games with Nengi and Dorothy, Ka3na says. Hi guys and welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Please don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Ex-Big Brother Naija housemate Ka3na Jones has opined that Ozo never loved Nengi but was only playing games with her and Dorothy. Ka3na, who made this known during the reunion show which is being hosted by Ebuka Obi-Uchendu, narrated how Ozo came to meet her asking her to help him make Nengi jealous. Ozo came to my room at the last Saturday all-white party asking me to help him make Nengi jealous. I'm sure everyone noticed that half of the time we were at the hotel, Ozo was in my room. Even at the party, we danced together, rocked each other, and we were literally together throughout the party. Everything we did was in a bid to make Nengi jealous, just like he requested. What I couldn't understand is why he keeps claiming he loves Nengi, because personally, I feel he didn't love either Nengi or Dorothy. Ozo was just playing the game, and all these things that's happening, I'm not up for it, she said. However, Ozo, in a response to allegations, refuted claims that he met Ka3na specifically to ask her to help him make Nengi jealous. I made it clear during my media rounds that Nengi is the woman I'm in love with. And yes, I went to Ka3na's room that day because I was the first to check in at the hotel. When I asked and was told Ka3na had also checked in, I decided to go visit her in her room, he said. So guys, what do you think about this revelation from Ka3na about Ozo? I personally think Ozo actually did that to make Nengi jealous. I think Ka3na is saying the truth here. Ozo is just trying to cover up because that guy can do so many stupid things. Guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And also, if this is your first time of viewing, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.